Very good day all, and welcome back to Art and Craft, a hobby. In today's video, let us see how to make these cute little handbags. So let's begin. For the first bag, I'm going to fold a square piece of paper into half. I'll further make a two fold on each of the half sides as I'm showing in the video. I will now unfold this and make a half fold across the vertical fold lines. I am now leaving a gap of approximately 1 centimeter and making a fold on the closed end of the paper. Further, retain this fold and bring the two edges, aligning it with the fold lines as I am showing in the video. Unfold the paper and redo the second and third fold. You can now see an arrowhead shaped fold on either sides and make folds at the tip of these arrowheads as I am showing in the video. Without unfolding the paper completely, open it up along the arrowhead lines and bring in the edge as I am showing in the video. Repeat the same on the other side as well. Push the paper on the three sides towards the inside to shape the bag. Now the pouch is ready. So I have made 3 such pouches for one bag. You can even make 2 or as you need. I'm now going to glue all these 3 pouches together. To make the flap, I'm taking another piece of paper, and the size of this square piece is same as what I took for the pouch. And I'm going to make the first 3 folds same as I did earlier. Keeping the paper vertically, I'll start gluing it to the pouches on 3 sides. For the base, you can either make the pouches wider or glue it as it is. For the covering flap, I will be shortening the width of the paper with the folds as I am showing in the video. I will further fold these pointed ends into half and glue them. To make the handle, I'll be gluing a strip of paper to the upper flap. To close the flap and keep it intact, I'll be gluing a strip of paper in the front. Do not glue this strip to the opening flap, just glue it to the pouches behind such that we should be able to open and close the bag. The handbag is now ready and you can make any kind of decorations to it as you like. For the second bag, I'm going to fold a square piece of paper between the two edges to form a triangle and another fold similarly. I'm now going to make 4 folds on each of the halves to get vertical fold lines as you see in the video. To make the base of the bag, I'm going to make a fold at the closed end for approximately 1 centimeter. Now align this folded edge to the second fold line from the center on both the sides. Unfold these and you'll find two diagonal lines on either side. To that point, fold the upper sheet of paper as you see in the video. Fold this portion of the paper back along the second fold lines from center. Unfold the 1 centimeter width folds and fold the edges on either side of this portion. Observe the line where I am making this fold. Now bring these two folds together towards the center. Apply some glue to the flap and secure the folds. Repeat the same folds on the other side as well. There are diagonal lines already there which we made earlier, which will help to make these folds. And to secure the folds, apply some glue behind the area of the pouch as I am showing in the video. For the covering flap, make two folds of the pointed end and you can tuck this inside the fold that's already available in the pouch. To make the handle, I'm going to glue a strip of paper to the cover flap as I did in the first bag. You can further make any kind of decorations to this bag using sequences or paper craft works or punches. And our second bag is ready. I hope all kids will definitely like today's video and will be excited to make these miniature handbags. Do try making these on the newspapers first, and once you're confident with the folds, you can go ahead and do it with the paper of your choice. Also, I'm making these paper craft tutorials as slowly as possible so that it's easy for kids to follow. Please do let me know your feedback on this, or do suggest if you want me to make this a little faster. Hope you all liked today's video. If you did, please do hit the like button. Also, share and subscribe to Art and Craft, a Hobby. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting.